It's an exciting day. Getting ready to show you how to turn off that pesky eco light, eco gauge, whatever you call it. And I can't get this plugged up. There we go. All right, let's plug that up. Let's get the key on. Off we go. Now I have to use my phone for the app. So I can't use the app and record. So this is going to be a screen capture of the steps that I go through to turn this off. Then in the end, I'll show you that it's off. Here we go. All right, so that was real time. I have not cut anything out of that. So let's start it up. And we're gonna put it in gear. Here we go. It's gone, yes. All right, so let's back up, put it in drive. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I hated that thing. This is great. Okay, very good. So if you hate that eco gauge like I did, pick up one of these King Bolin solo scans. It is Toyota and Lexus specific, and you can do the same thing. There's so much more in there. Window programming, your sensitivity of your automatic headlight sensor. You can turn the seatbelt warning bell off, or the dinger. So much more. So anyway, this is really cool and exciting, and I'm so glad that stupid gauge is gone. See you on the next one.